Hey guys, we are back with one more session of NCRT solutions, and yes, today we are gonna do how do organisms reproduce, guys. इसका पेज नंबर 143 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 and 2, guys. This is our 12th episode, if I'm not wrong. Oh my god, yes. So guys, today we are starting with a new chapter, that is heredity and evolution. इससे पहले we have completed how do organisms reproduce. We have also completed life processes also, guys. So you can go and watch it. This is the first session of this new chapter, and guys, we will be doing each and every question of this chapter. So do not forget to watch the earlier chapters also. If you want to study this chapter heredity and evolution in detail, you can go and watch the detailed explanations also. But here in this class, we are going to solve the questions. So guys, you can use this code for pro subscriptions and get extra 20% discount. Let us read your comments. Kuldeep Kaur says, yes guys, sir, session was really amazing. And thank you for all the videos. Thank you beta. Thank you for such kind words. And Avi Lipsa Swen says, thank you beta, for writing to us. And here's the question. Let us do the questions. What is the importance of DNA copying in reproduction? What is the importance? क्यों होना चाहिए भैया DNA copy? Yes guys, पहली चीज to transfer characters. Yes guys, to transfer characters from one generation to other, that is why we should have, yes guys, DNA होना चाहिए. Transfer characters from one generation to other. What is the second thing? Why should you have, yes, what is the second thing? Guys, any error in copying of a DNA, मतलब अगर कोई कॉपी कर रहा है उसमें कोई एरर आ गया तो क्या होता है? It might lead to genetic disorders. It might lead to genetic disorders. Yes, are you getting my point? So what is the importance of copying DNA, guys? Transfer of characters, and any error in copying of a DNA can lead to genetic disorder. That is important. And let us read it. Yes. It is responsible for transmission of characters from one generation to other or offspring. The changes occur due to the inheritance of trait. If there are some genetic variation, yes guys, it also helps in evolution. Okay, you can also write that it can help in evolution also. While copying of the DNA, there are some changes, small variation. While copying, there exists variation in the DNA. This variation over longer period of time leads to evolution. इसका मतलब क्या है? मतलब बेटा देखो, जो आप we know we get our DNA from our father, है ना, and our mother. We get our DNA from father and mother. But whatever DNA which we are getting, right, it is not 100% copy of our father or 100% copy. मतलब it is 98 or 99% equal to my mother or father, and same. Are you getting what? There is some variation there. The DNA gets थोड़ा सा change when it comes to us. So this leads to variation. That is why we are different from our parents, and no. And this variation over period of time will lead to evolution. Are you getting what is the question? Again, let us have a look at it. What is the importance of DNA copying reproduction? Yes guys, it has in transfer of characters. It also helps in variation. It also helps in variation. This variation over period of time can lead to evolution. ठीक है, so these are the 3 points which you can write. Genetic disorder वाला आप avoid भी कर सकते हो, but yeah, this is the point which you supposed to write. Next one. Why is variation beneficial to the species but not necessary for an individual? ये बहुत ही amazing question है कि variation of a species individual के लिए इतना important नहीं है, but as a human species के लिए बहुत important है. क्यों? बेटा देखो, for example, variation मतलब I am different than you, you are different than me, है ना, that is variation between us, है ना. अब मान लो एक volcanic eruption हुआ, है ना, volcanic eruption हुआ और सुनामी आया. Tsunami आया because of my swimming skills, I was able to survive, whereas others were not able to survive. So what will happen? My variation of strong muscles and strong swimming skills, I was able to survive. So I will pass these characters to the other generation. So are you getting my point? So the other generation which are gonna come up will have strong muscle and strong swimming skills. Are you getting it? So they are more better than the other which have got eliminated. So as a human species, what is being promulgated? Whoever survived the tsunami, they had strong muscles, they had a good swimming skills. So these characters will be passed on to the next generation. So the other generation which are going to come, they are automatically going to have more stronger muscles and more swimming skills. So they are going to survive the next tsunami. Are you getting my point? So that is what is the importance of this. Yes, each individual of a species has a specific variation, है ना. जैसे कि अभी मेरा वेरिएशन है, अब मैं एक ह्यूमन हूं, आप एक ह्यूमन हो, तो मतलब इतना हम लोगों के बीच में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. यस, बट व्हेन स्पीशीज कंसर्न विद वेरिएशन मे लीड टू सर्वाइवल इवन इन द एडवर्स कंडीशन. मतलब देख, हम लोगों में डिफरेंसेस हैं, बट कुछ difference will help us to survive better. Some difference will help us to survive better. है ना बेटा? तो this survival instinct will be passed on to the next generation. For example, मतलब I can give you some example, but that will be unethical. है ना बेटा? See, for example, I will tell you people who are below poverty line. ठीक है? They do not get nutritious food. उनको न्यूट्रिशियस फूड नहीं मिलता, तो उनका ब्रेन डेवलप नहीं हो पाता. बेटा देखो, एक बच्चे को खाना ही नहीं मिल रहा, तो डू यू थिंक ही विल बी वरीड अबाउट हिज एग्जाम और यूनिट टेस्ट में नंबर लेने का? नो, ही विल बी मोर वरीड अबाउट गेटिंग फूड. है ना? एंड देयर इज अ स्टडी व्हिच सेज गाइस, अगर अच्छा खाना नहीं मिलता ना तो आपके दिमाग डेवलप नहीं हो पाता. ठीक है? So there is this kid and there is a kid who is getting kaju, pista, badam, doodh, anda, vanda, sab. So who will be more developed? This is more developed and he will be passing on the characters. So his generation is going to be more smarter as compared to this generation. Are you getting me? That is why we call it as a circle of poverty. Cycle of poverty. Cycle of poverty मतलब ये जो poor people, like you know, people below the poverty line, they do not get proper food. वो उनको proper food नहीं मिलता, तो they cannot get intellectually smarter. When they do not get intellectually smarter, they get into, yes guys, work, normal minimal works. They then दोबारा come minimal work, so they will get minimal wages and they will, you know, again get less food. So this is called as a circle of poverty. Whereas people who have, yes guys, good, so people who have good, who are earning good, they will have good food, they will become more smarter, they will get more paying job, and they will, again, this is called a circle. This is very important, है ना बेटा? So this is what it is. In a specific adverse condition, all the organisms of a species may die. मतलब एक कुछ सुनामी आया, सब मर गए. The people who were able to survive are somewhat, yes guys, they might be stronger, but we consider them as stronger, will reproduce and continue, and they will pass on the characters to the next species. ठीक है? That is how it is important. So how will you write? The whole point is how will you write? Yes guys, yes, individuals of the same species have variation. These variation help them to survive better than the other organisms. These variation help organisms to survive better than the other organisms. है ना? These individuals who are surviving better will be passing on their character to the next generation, which will get accumulated over a period of time, and they will become a stronger species. What are you using? They will become a stronger species. है ना? So that is why it is not much of an importance for an individual, but over a period of time, the entire species will get benefited. Great guys. So guys, do not forget to use this code to get extra 20% discount. And yes, what are we gonna do? Guys, we did how do organisms reproduce in the earlier classes. Do watch them also. Today we started with heredity and evolution. And yes guys, do not forget to like the video, share and subscribe to the channel, and do let me know in the comment box आपको सीन कैसा लगा, and keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye, have a great day.